Do you like cooking? Can you explain how to cook in English? In this video, you will learn English with a fun cooking conversation.
Hi, Tom. Welcome.
Hi, Anna. Thanks for inviting me.
Today, I will teach you how to cook.
Actually, I watched some cooking videos.
Oh, really?
Yes, I think I can do it.
Okay, let's see. Let's make a simple pasta.
Easy.
First, we need some ingredients. Can you cut the tomatoes?
Sure,
Be careful.
I will.
Tom, that's too big.
Really?
Yes, cut them smaller.
Oh, okay.
Now, put the pasta in the water.
Like this?
Yes, that's right. Next, add some salt.
Okay.
Just a little. Tom, that's too much.
Oh no. I saw this in the video.
Maybe you should watch it again later.
Yeah. Maybe I forgot some parts.
It's okay. It happens.
What should we do?
We can fix it. Just add some water.
Oh, I see.
Okay, it's ready.
It looks good.
Let's try it.
Hey, it's good.
See? You did it.
Thanks.
Maybe next time you can try by yourself.
Yeah, I'll try.
How much did you understand? Maybe you should is a soft and polite way to give advice. It sounds friendly and not pushy. Be careful when you use you should or you need to because they can sound too strong. Did you enjoy this video? Do you like cooking? What do you usually cook? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.